Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Noai ketian jok sarkar MDA uba polling do ubelong ru menteri ke sarkar jela ulaong ba ke sarkar kala tristom panweng ya kijing ya kajaput bat ke jela sam ha kijing ya kran bagi lapatai kubor lo pentip ru baya ka memorandum of understanding on Ïasoi ba ke sarkar sam Shwa ka khatsan trik nailat hajap san ka pemut Shwa ka independence day ha ka ba on sasaki ya kisan Tylli ki Shnong ki ba Thymmai ki ban sahab no shapo put sam jong ka jela Meghalaya.
See, out of the 12 areas of differences, now 5 have been resolved. Langpi, we're close to actually finding the final solution. It's just the joint inspection that needs to be undertaken once. And Giant Hills, we are fairly close to clinching final solution. So we are moving far ahead compared to the many years where Meghalaya's territories have only been encroached without any resistance.
So when is your regional committee going to submit its report on Langpi sector?
Langpi, there is just a site inspection that needs to be undertaken. I'm yet to get the final confirmation from my counterpart, the chairman, Mr. Patuari, who heads the Langpi sector committee for Assam. Once I get the word from him, we will undertake a joint inspection and visit to Langpi.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.